Ever had one of those mini heart attacks when you accidentally delete precious photos or your iPhone decides to go rogue? Yeah, me too. But don't worry, I've got the ultimate lifesaver for you. PhoneRescue for iOS. Before we dive in, hit that link in the description for a sweet discount. So, imagine this. You're flipping through old photos, taking a trip down memory lane, and boom, your thumb slips, and now your favorite photos are gone. Or your iPhone just freezes up, leaving you with a fancy paperweight. That's where PhoneRescue swoops in like a superhero. PhoneRescue is developed by iMobi, and let me tell you, it's not just your average data recovery software. It's an all-in-one tool that can recover data from your iPhone, iTunes backups, and even iCloud. Lost your contacts? Check. Deleted those vacation photos? Check. It even tackles those dreaded boot loops and black screens. But wait, it gets better. PhoneRescue can also remove screen locks. Yep, you heard that right. Forgot your passcode? No problem. This software can crack it open for you. You might wonder, is it easy to use? Absolutely. The interface is super user-friendly. Just connect your device, follow a few simple steps, and voila! Your data is back, your system is repaired, and your screen lock is gone. Easy peasy. Now let's talk about why PhoneRescue stands out. Unlike other tools that just focus on one thing, PhoneRescue gives you the complete package. Data recovery, system repair, and screen lock removal all in one. Plus, it's available for both Windows and macOS, so no one's left out. One concern I've seen is about the pricing. But here's the thing. PhoneRescue offers a lifetime license. That means you pay once and enjoy peace of mind forever. Think about it as an investment in your digital life. No more worrying about losing important data or dealing with iPhone glitches. And hey, while we're at it, iMobi keeps adding new features, so you're always equipped to handle the latest iOS versions and any new devices you get. Ready to rescue your iPhone? Click the link in the description below to snag a special offer on PhoneRescue for iOS. So, next time your iPhone acts up or you accidentally delete something important, just remember, PhoneRescue's got your back. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome content. Catch you in the next one.